If you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or even a little lost in your job search, know that you're not alone. The transition from school to the working world, or from one career to another, is one of the most universal and yet most uniquely personal journeys you will ever take. It's a path filled with hope, uncertainty, and 1,000 questions about the future. And while it's easy to look around and feel like everyone else has it all figured out, the truth is, almost everyone struggles with these same doubts at some point. So let's talk honestly about what it really means to start your career, especially if you haven't landed your dream job yet, or don't even know what that dream job is. First, let's tackle a big myth. Your first job does not have to be your forever job. In fact, for most people, it isn't. The pressure to land a perfect role straight out of school or during a career shift can be paralyzing. But the reality is, careers are rarely linear. The vast majority of people start somewhere unexpected, sometimes far from their field of study or original aspirations. Every experience, whether it matches your degree or not, can teach you skills that will serve you well in the future. Maybe you studied marketing, but your first offer is in retail. Maybe you have a biology degree, but find yourself interviewing for administrative roles. That doesn't mean you failed. It means you're adaptable, open, and willing to learn. Employers value those qualities far more than a flawless resume. In fact, the ability to pivot, to try something new, and to show up with a positive attitude in less than ideal circumstances is what often separates those who grow quickly in their careers from those who stay stuck. So how can you make the most of any job, even if it isn't the one you pictured? Start by focusing on the skills you can gain: communication, teamwork, problem-solving, time management. These soft skills are the backbone of every great career. You might be surprised how much you can learn in a customer service position, for example, that will later help you manage clients, lead a team, or run your own business. No experience is wasted as long as you show up, do your best, and pay attention to what you're learning each day. But let's be real. The job search itself can be exhausting, especially when it feels like you're sending out resume after resume with little response. Staying motivated in the face of rejection is tough. Here's the key. Focus on action, not just outcomes. Set small daily goals that you can control, like applying to 3 jobs per day, reaching out to 1 new contact on LinkedIn, or updating your resume with a new accomplishment. Celebrate these wins, even if they seem minor. Each step forward is progress, and over time, those small actions add up. Remember, resilience and persistence are your greatest allies. The people who succeed in competitive job markets aren't always the smartest, the most connected, or the most experienced. They're the ones who refuse to give up. They adapt their approach, learn from every setback, and keep moving forward. If you get rejected, let yourself feel disappointed, then look for the lesson. Maybe your resume needs tweaking. Maybe your interview skills could use some practice. Every no is an opportunity to improve. Adaptability is another superpower. Sometimes, the path forward requires you to shift your expectations. Maybe a particular industry isn't hiring right now, or you're facing economic uncertainty. Ask yourself, where can my skills be useful right now? Are there industries or roles I hadn't considered before? Temporary or part-time work, internships, freelance gigs, these can all be stepping stones. Not only do they give you valuable experience, they often lead to unexpected connections and opportunities. Networking is a crucial part of the job hunt, and it doesn't have to be intimidating. Start by reaching out to people you already know: friends, family, professors, former classmates. Let them know you're looking and ask for advice or introductions. Attend virtual events or join professional groups online. Most jobs are filled through connections, not cold applications. Don't hesitate to put yourself out there. You never know who might open a door for you. It's also important to take care of your mental and emotional health. Job searching can feel like a full-time job in itself, and the uncertainty can take a toll. Make time for activities that recharge you, whether that's exercise, hobbies, or simply spending time with supportive people. Remember, your worth is not defined by your employment status. You're allowed to feel frustrated, but don't let it stop you from moving forward. As you navigate this journey, Keep in mind that your career is a marathon, not a sprint. Almost every successful professional has a story about a job they took just for now. Sometimes, those roles turn into unexpected passions. Other times, they simply provide the skills and confidence needed for the next step. Either way, every experience is a building block. If you're feeling stuck, take a moment to reflect on what you've already accomplished. Graduating, switching fields, or even just showing up to the job hunt every day takes courage. Trust that the work you're putting in will pay off, even if you can't see the results yet. Finally, remember this: action breeds clarity. The perfect job may not appear overnight, but by taking steps, any steps, you're moving closer to opportunity. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Apply for roles that interest you, even if you don't meet every requirement. Volunteer, shadow someone in a field you're curious about, or start a side project. Every bit of effort counts. Your story is still unfolding. The challenges you face today will become the lessons and strengths you carry into your future career. Stay persistent, stay adaptable, and above all, believe in your ability to figure things out. Every job, every connection, and every setback is part of your journey. So take a deep breath, take that next step, however small, and keep building the future you deserve.